Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Morgan and I'm obsessed with all things beauty and skincare related. Let's just move the camera down a little bit. You guys, I'm going out today because I am redoing my beauty room to have like a designated place to film all my stuff. Like I need a special room because it's just like I have an unbelievable amount of beauty stuff, fashion, everything that I love, you know what I'm saying? We are so excited because Easter is quickly approaching. We have the nails to contribute, and my husband bought me this cute pink mug from Starbucks. I'm obsessed with it. It's so soft. I love a big handle on a mug because I just want to feel like I'm holding, you know, like a good, strong, sturdy mug, and I absolutely love it. So why don't you guys come with me today? I have a list of things that I want to get done, but I do need to buy decoration and decor for my beauty room and for my background. Of course, it needs to have my style, my taste, and it's kind of hard to find it. I do love the Scandinavian design. It's very minimalist, it's very natural. Everything kind of has a purpose and organized, and it's really great. So come with me on that journey. Also, I want to find good wall art, and finding good wall art is so important to me because a picture is going to set the vibe for a room, in my opinion, and it is one of the like centerpieces. You guys, where I learn I try to learn all of my interior design stuff is, her name is Schirra. She is on YouTube right now, and her channel is called Live Your Style. I'm gonna link her stuff below. Honestly, she's so sweet. I've never met her in person. I've never talked to her, but this is me just kind of giving her a shout out because she does really, really inspire me to like open up with decor and just learn. And yeah, so shout out Schirra. Hey you guys, so I just got to the Christmas tree shop. I'm a little makeup free today just because I had an emotional day. I feel like I look really like baggy, but I'm at the Christmas tree shop and we're walking in. So cute. Wait, that's so cute. These are planters that you can actually plant little succulents in, but they look like teacups. I might have to buy these for my beauty room. How cute. You guys, I'm in literal heaven. I'm in Easter heaven. Look at this cute little chick. Oh my God. I can't even handle how cute all the Easter decor is in here. You guys, so like I naturally gravitate to stuff like this, but I'm trying to, oh, it's actually like tin. I just feel like this might be too seasonal, and I was hoping to get something just a little more neutral seasonal wise because I don't want to have to keep changing my pictures out every season. I mean, I plan of course to like switch things up along the way, but I just don't want it to be too seasonal. I did find the shelves, but I found the display, but I can't see anything in the box, so I'm hoping they're not sold out because I believe they're only like 30 bucks. I'll show you guys. This picture has me written all over it, but I also grow hydrangeas outside, like real ones, so I'll probably have real ones in there. That just looks like my backyard, so I'm having a little bit of a difficult time choosing art, as always. Oh my God, look how cute these baskets are though. Like for the laundry room, Schirra taught me to use baskets in her videos. All right, so my priority is this right here. I need this to put all my stuff on display. It is crucial that I buy these, but I can't find them and I'm scared they're sold out. I don't see a desk that I love, but I just need those bookshelves and I need to go. Oh, there's an employee. I'm literally walking around stalking the employee entrance door because I need somebody to help me. And like, there's, hi, do you work here? No. But wait, I know you from my grocery store, right? Okay guys, so I just got help from an employee. There is the goal right there. Okay, so so I've ran into a little bit of trouble. They can't find this exact bookcase in the back, but they did find a ladder bookcase that looks very similar for like $10 cheaper. So what we're gonna do is we're just gonna measure to make sure that this product is like big enough for what I'm looking for, and I think that's awesome. Like, if I'll buy it, you know what I mean? 20 bucks, that's great. Okay.
So 69.
That's pretty tall.
That's big.
I'll buy that.
Can't be that big.
Well, it looks like it's almost the size of that.
No, it doesn't seem big.
But I'm thinking this is the
We can give it a
same.
floor model also.
Oh, we could? Do I get a discount because it's the floor model?
Well, do something wrong with it. Yeah.
Do something wrong with it. There's a nick right here.
They're roping. Yeah. I can't tell yes or no, but I was almost sold the black one today, and we're going to give her something off because it is damaged. And she changed her mind. She thought it was too damaged.
Where is it damaged? Can I return that if it's not what I...
Oh, yeah. Hold on to your receipt. I don't know.
Okay, well, you know what? It seems big enough, so I guess...
You want to take the one in the box?
Yeah. There we go. Can you...
Let's make a deal.
Okay. Let's go.
We'll take the one in the box.
If you could load that in there, that'll be great.
Put it up in customer service. I mean, you keep shopping.
Well, you already put it in there, yeah, so I'm just gonna leave it.
Right out. Really, seriously, if you want to shop more,
Okay.
give you more space. Yeah.
Okay, what do I say when I go down there? Just the white shelf?
Yeah, just go to register 1.
Okay, great.
Yeah,
Register 1.
Customer service.
Perfect. Thanks so much for your help. I appreciate it. Very nice people. So now we're looking at panels because, you know what, these are blackout curtains. I'm looking for, I don't need a blackout curtain in my beauty room. I do like a good blackout curtain in my main room because I don't like sun in my eyes first thing in the morning. But something light and airy I think will be gorgeous for my beauty room, like these. Right here, one panel, perfect white. So yeah, I always like a nice, fresh, airy white panel. Those are a little more ivory, but I painted my walls ivory, so I think a nice ultra white will just pop really, really well. And look at these, how affordable, $5, window panel. I love it. I'm living. I might just buy these for 10 bucks. I'm really happy right now. Window panel. Oh, what's that though, bro? 84 inch. That some kid put a handprint on the back of my truck because it's so dirty. How embarrassing. I'm going into Michael's because there is still some storage things that I need that I didn't get at the Christmas tree shop, which I should have, but I wasn't. I was so wrapped up in like the curtains and everything, girl. Let's see what they got. Oh yeah, this is rich. This is rich, my friends. Rich. Rich. Look at this, they're not in cage. Take them out of the cage. Look at them. Okay, I am not here for Easter decor. Maybe I am. But these Easter things. Oh my God, you guys. Like, it doesn't get cuter than this. Oh my, they're eggs. Where can I put these? Look at, they have nest ones. Greenhouse collection, 40% off. Maybe I should get this for my room and plant a succulent. What are these? Are these Lucky Bamboo? They're fake, I want real. Here's the boxes that I was talking about. What adorable for storage. Like, I'm obsessed. Look at these, oh my God, lilacs. Stop it. Suitcases. How cool is that? I really like these, honestly. They've been on my mind because I just think they're so unique. Like, what are these? They're like little briefcases. It's leather here. And it's just like this adorable spring box. And what joys could be in here? Look at this. I'm obsessed. Totally obsessed. Like, somebody needs to not stop me. Oh my God, look at it. This one's even like textured. Oh, it looks textured. It's like a plastics, but cute for, oh my God, I'm gonna fall. Girl, we have a victory. I did not see this, but 40% off, count me in. Now it's time I go get a cart. I'm having my own little party by myself. I just stopped at my rock shop because I don't have a rose quartz in my house and I like to have one. So my Botox injection parts are still healing. I don't know what people think of me when they look at me, but like whatever, I'm proud. And let's go pick out a good crystal for my home. So this is going to wrap up the video. I'm doing my outro on a separate day because I've just been doing that. I don't know why. So I plan on making shopping for my new beauty room into a series. So I'm going to take you guys and bring you guys along with me when it comes to shopping for decor, actually decoring and sharing little tidbits about my life. I did get Botox injections in my forehead yesterday for my migraines, so I just wanted to show you guys. You could still see the injection sites. This wasn't for cosmetic reasons, although it's kind of cool, but it actually is not for cosmetic reasons. It is for my migraines. I get migraines for days on end and no medication even touches them. So sometimes I will go to my neurologist and he will inject my forehead to hopefully numb the pain. I wanted to share with you guys, I'm not gonna show you guys everything I got at the Christmas tree shop because I'm gonna wait until the end showing and I'm gonna do a whole separate video on the final product of my room and you'll be able to see everything that I got and where I put them, but I will show you what I got at the crystal shop yesterday. So I just got 3 things and I have them in a bowl of salt water to cleanse them. Just FYI, when you guys buy crystals, if you're into this sort of thing, always cleanse your crystals appropriately when you bring them home from the store or wherever you got them, because these crystals hold so much energy from so many entities coming in and out of the store, where they're shipped from. You just want them cleaned. You don't want to bring any bad energy in the room. And I just wanted to share this piece of black tourmaline that I bought yesterday. It's good for repelling negative energy and sending negative thoughts back to the person who's sending them to you. Can't have enough of those, right guys? Then I got a new rose quartz for self-love and self-healing because I did give my other rose quartz to my 𝗀𝗏𝗖𝗍 when I buried her, so I always love to have a good rose quartz in the room. Then I got this really neat amethyst stone. I was showing it in the video. It's really cool and it's supposed to help inspire dream interpretations. I don't know about you guys, but I've been getting some really detailed emotional dreams. I try to always piece my dreams together and I decided that stone could help me in my journey. Since I'm talking about stones, I do want to just let you guys know that these crystals are from my friend 𝗀𝗄𝗄𝗜. He makes his own custom, already cleared stones. So if you do buy a crystal from him, they're already going to be purified. They're already going to be clean. He charges them in the full moon. It's great. So today I have jade or green calcite. I have citrine, and then I have a beautiful rose quartz. And then of course he always adds decorative beads. This kind of looks like a type of quartz to just make his bracelets look a little more unique. And then he has this logo that says 𝗀𝗄𝗄𝗏 on them. And they're just really pretty bracelets. Everybody stay tuned for the next video of episode 2 of remodeling my beauty room. If you haven't done so already, please subscribe to my channel, comment down below. Let me know what you think of how it's going. And if you have any other places that you think is a good place to buy good decor items. Christmas tree shop is good for affordable items. West Elm is my favorite place to shop for home goods. However, they are a little bit on the pricey side, so I only buy West Elm pieces if they're gonna be part of my main floor. Everybody, have a great day, and until episode 2, see you soon. Love you. Bye.